Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for all the love and support, and if you're new, welcome. Tonight it's gonna be banging. It's Friday. We're gonna be having some steamed fish with okra and some tun cornmeal for you. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, it's time for you to go subscribe because I'm gonna be coming with some hot topics. I'm gonna be coming with some banger food that you will enjoy, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 steps, so it's gonna be easy to follow. So go tell a friend to tell a friend, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So guys, this is all my seasoning, and this is everything that I'm going to be using tonight. So we're going to be doing 3 large snapper. These are yellowtail snapper. We're going to be steaming them tonight. We're going to be eating with some tun cornmeal. And just follow me into the kitchen because it's going to be hot. Yes guys, 2 slices in each side because these fish are very big. One of them is over a pound. All right, so we're gonna be using just the salt and the pepper. So what I do, I put it all the way inside. Make sure the head is well seasoned. So guys, I'm reaching for my big pot tonight because we have 3 large fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and light my stove for my pot to get preheat. I'm not gonna put it on too much of a high fire. I just want a medium fire. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pot, just enough to cover the bottom. I'm gonna be adding my onions. My onions are sauteed, a little bit cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay my fish on top of the onions. I'm gonna do them head to tail. I'm gonna be adding my carrots on top of the fish. I kept my Irish potato in a little bit of water for it not to change color, so I'm going to go ahead and add it now. And I'm adding my okra. Now also go ahead and add a cup and a half of water, or about a cup and a half of water, or just enough to cover the fish, not too much. I'm going to go ahead and add a little seasoning, which is 2 tablespoons of Maggi, all-purpose, and I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Old Bay. That's the seafood seasoning. I'm using the water to kind of melt the seasoning into the fish before it starts cooking, and then I'm gonna cover to cook. It's gonna be cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's done, everything should be cooked. Yes guys, so this is halfway through the cooking. The process is going pretty good. Everything is looking good. In the meantime, while that is cooking, I'm just having a drink because you know it's Friday. I'm having vodka with grapefruit juice. I'm also preparing a little bit of vegetable, my lemon for my fish, and I'm just chilling. It's Friday, guys. guys. Unwind and enjoy life. One life. While I'm waiting for my fish to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and start my tun cornmeal. I'm gonna go ahead and light the stove for the pot to preheat. Then I'm gonna show you guys my steps of my tun cornmeal. I'm using a whole can of Grace coconut milk. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot pepper to my fish and some thyme to complete the process. Some people like a lot of pepper in their fish, so my family likes pepper, so I'm gonna go ahead and add one whole pepper. I'm also gonna add some thyme. So this is the final thing that I add, and I'm gonna let it cook for like 5 minutes more, and then I'm gonna turn it off. I already checked my vegetables, they are completely cooked. I use a fork to test everything is completely cooked. As the first thing I'm gonna add to my pot for my tun cornmeal is some butter. That's 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm melting it. And then I'm gonna add my seasoning, and I'm slightly cook it before I add my cornmeal. So I'm adding some chopped scallion, some diced onions, a little piece of pepper. You know, we have to put the pepper in everything. I'm gonna leave that to cook for about a minute. So my onions and my scallion is cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and add some thyme, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. These coconut milk are like really full-blown solid. I'm cooking my coconut milk. I'm gonna use a pound of cornmeal, so I'm gonna add half cup of water to the coconut milk for it to cook. I'm also gonna add some brown sugar for flavor, and that's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of Maggi seasoning. So I'm putting all of this. When it comes to a boil, then I'll come right back and show you what's going on. My pot has come to a boil, and I'm about to add my cornmeal, but I did go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt for taste, so it's tasting real good. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cornmeal in small portions, and meanwhile I add, I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna keep stirring. Cornmeal is something that swells up a lot, so right now it's thickening and it's gonna get thicker, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover for a few minutes with everything. I completely stir everything in, and then I'm gonna turn the heat down and let it cook for 10 minutes. My tun cornmeal is halfway through the cooking process. You can see when I said that the cornmeal will swell up and become more than what you put in the pot. So this is just cornmeal. This is cornmeal. This is how cornmeal is. It's almost completely ready. It's 5 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it for another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna plate my food and let you guys have a look at the finished product, and I want you to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe now, because I'm going to be coming with some banger, some fire food. My cornmeal is completely cooked. I'm turning off the fire. My fish is ready. I'm going to go ahead and plate. Then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. My fish is still firm, so I could pick it up and slide it onto my plate without it breaking. So you know it's completely cooked, but it's still firm. I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with my okra, my Irish potato, and my carrots. Guys, so this is my fish. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cornmeal, but I'm gonna put a little style to it. So I'm gonna use an ice cream spoon to go ahead and add it. I'm gonna put 3 scoops. Okay, I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little bit of lettuce just for garnish, but it can also be ate. So with a few slices of tomato. I'm also gonna have some extra pepper. I'm gonna add a little extra pepper for those pepper lovers, and I'm also gonna add a few slices of lemon. Lemon is good with fish, so you can go ahead and add any amount of lemon you want, depends on your taste bud. But for me or my family, I'll just go ahead and add 3 slices. So guys, you can go ahead and have your steamed fish with your tun cornmeal with some Heineken, a cold Heineken, or a glass of white wine. So I already chilled this bottle, and this is what we're going to be having for dinner. It's a little bit frozen, but this is what we're going to be having with our steamed fish and tun cornmeal. If you like my finished product, please comment and let me know if there's anything you would like to see me cook for my next video. When you talk about Jamaicans, tell me what you think about when it comes to food. That's gonna be my next video. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Have a good night.